What's up, everybody? This is Lamine from investingsimplified.net. Today is Saturday, November 27, 2021. Quick market update. Before we jump into the charts, we just want to let our viewers know we will not be putting videos out every weekend because of our strategy. Since we focus on potential market tops and bottom, we will only put videos out when we think market is giving us a signal that we are close to a top or market has top, or we are close to a bottom and market has bottom. We don't want to be those who just looking at charts on a daily basis whether I should be buying or selling stocks. Our models do not give us those signals. Our models gives us ability to time the market at critical turning points. So for that, we will only be putting out videos when we believe everybody is panicking or everybody is exuberant and we are ready to look at the other side of the trade. So with that, let's jump to the chart. Looking at the daily time scale of ES, as we can see here, the last video we posted on November 6th for the week ended November 5th, it was right here. We indicated that a strong probability market will go sideways or if not outright pull back into this 45-50 zone. Since we made a call, market has done nothing. It just has been a chap between 4650 to about 4700. And yesterday, because of some variant about COVID, causes market to roll over significantly. Looking at our internal models, we believe this is going to be another great buying opportunity into year end and Q1 of 2022. We don't want to be those who started to panic here. Our model suggests a strong probability we are at or near a low. We will watch this situation going into next week to see where market is going to find critical support zone and then start to turn around. We started adding risk yesterday based on price action and some of our internal models, and we are not concerned about market breaking down here or going for 46% decline as JP Morgan was forecast. So what is our strategy going into next? Depending on the Delta variant that was detected in South Africa, how soon we find some clarity what the impact would be, our base case is as information become clear, this whole trade that took place on Friday will be reversed. We are paying attention to our internal model. We are watching VIX. As volatility starts to come down here, the likelihood of market going through the bottoming process and then eventually start to rally, we favor that strategy rather than selling into this bloodbath, because we have been anticipating this for the past couple of weeks. We got out of all the trades that we were in and we were anticipating some kind of a pullback about 5%. Thus far, yesterday market came down pretty strongly, 2% on basically all the major indices. So the key level that we are watching on ES and NQ. ES is the 50-day moving average, which is sitting at 45.19 and the prior breakout level. And we do not believe this level would be violated. Even if it does, this trend line here, it's going to hold. And as market approach this level, let's say whether it's Monday or Tuesday, we will be focused on our internal models and see what signals we are getting. Majority of our signals has already lined up. It's only one indicator we are monitoring to see if that's going to give us an exhaustion level to take risk and wait for market to go through the bottoming process and then ultimately start to move higher. Our base case is by end of Q1 2022, S&P will hit 5,000. Okay, looking at RSI, as we can see here, throughout this year, RSI tend to bottom right around the 40 level, and we are approaching that level. On Friday, market closed at 45.36. So we are watching this closely to see what happened here. And nothing here is a guarantee. It's a probabilistic scenario. What is the likelihood market will find some kind of support between 50-day and the prior breakout level? What is that probability? That probability outweighs a significant breakdown from here. Okay, so let's jump to NQ and see where the levels are for NQ. Looking at the daily time scale of NQ, as we can see here, the key levels that we are monitoring first is the prior breakout level, the September highs, which is sitting right around the 16,000 zone, and the 50-day moving average, this white line, which is sitting at 15,532. As long as this zone hold and our models lined up, we have no concern. We believe market will go through the normal bottoming process and ultimately be at new highs. How soon that's going to be remains to be seen, and we'll continue to monitor. RSI sitting right at 50, not overbought or oversold. So we'll end the review here. If you enjoyed the video, please give us a like, share with friends. Until then, we will talk to you later. We hope you'll have a blessed weekend. Bye for now.